This guy is seriously creative. He takes unused cigarettes, puts them in a bowl, pours Coca-Cola over them, and lets them soak. Then he tightly seals the bowl with aluminum foil. At first, this strange method doesn't make much sense, but by the end, you realize he really knows what he's doing. Next, he digs a large hole in the ground, places the sealed bowl inside, and covers it with dirt. He smooths out the surface, sprinkles some baking soda on top, and starts a fire using wood to heat that spot. After the fire burns out, he takes the bowl back home, unwraps the foil, and removes the now moist cigarettes. He carefully breaks them apart and puts the contents into another bowl. Can you guess what he's making? Then he cuts open a soda can, adds the tobacco mixture along with some oily liquid and a bit of baking soda, and mixes everything well. After that, he fills the can with the mixture and shapes it using simple tools. Finally, he inserts a cotton wick, and just like that, he creates a small oil lamp. This tiny DIY lamp can burn all night long, making it a surprisingly useful solution during power outages.